Hello, this is my 11-foot cantilever umbrella from Amazon. This was actually a gift from my mom, and what a gift. This is the color champagne. I figured we could go ahead and open it up. I'll show you how easy that is, and then you can see also how big it is and how it handles the slight wind that's going on here. So I push up that bar, not too heavy. I should have with my left hand, turn the lock, and then we're gonna crank open the umbrella. This part takes a teeny bit of elbow grease, but definitely manageable. And look at that, shade for days. Setup and installation was really easy. I think it comes in 2 boxes, but it came together in, I believe it was less than 30 minutes for us. And the instructions were easy to follow. Before we knew it, we had beautiful shade. Now, here's one thing is that obviously it needs to be weighted down by something. And this is not weighted down when it comes. It's a hollow base with these two, holes in them that have lids. And so in this, they suggest that you put a bunch of sand and a bunch of water, and it essentially comes up to about 400 pounds of weight in this base, which is what allows this huge umbrella to live outside. But it also means that once you choose where you're going to put it, it's pretty permanent. Oh my gosh, I've never had an umbrella this big before. We've had this for about 2 years now, and it stood up really well against weather, the sun, the snow, all sorts of things. I do put it down when it's extra windy because when it starts whipping around, just like any umbrella, it doesn't really stand a chance. So I like to close it when it's a little bit too windy, but it stands a good amount of wind. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and close it now. You'll see what footprint it takes up when it's all closed and compact. It's very easy to close, a little harder to open up, but not bad. So you turn that until the umbrella is all the way closed, and then you can turn this button to unlock another area, and it allows you to slide this bar down. At this point, there is a tie that I don't have on right now that you're able to completely tie it up so that the wind doesn't blow it anywhere. It's the safest way to have it when you're not using it, especially in any sort of weather. Overall, I don't even think I have to say anything else. It's obviously just a huge umbrella. If you're looking for a huge umbrella, you found the best huge umbrella. Here it is.